Oh yeah, he's right there in the window, right there in the window.
Hey guys, what's up? This is the Echo Squad, and sorry I haven't posted in a while. This is a video from last time I went to Airsoft Louisville, but hopefully we're gonna have a war soon. So here you go. Here's the video.
I got his gun, mate. Did I get him? He's still got a orange chip. He's in the crate? Yeah, he's in the crate. See him? Yeah, let's go down.
We decided to go down because they're too far away. I mean, we could see them, but we just really couldn't shoot them because, I mean, they're airsoft guns. But yeah, so we go into this barrel, and you'll see what happens next.
Yeah, I have a smoke grenade.
Yes, throw it away.
I can't throw it in there, but I can throw it. He said earlier you can't throw it in there.
So this guy was shooting the cracks of the the wall, which they specifically said not to do in the beginning of the game. So
Bang, 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 bang.
Hey, buddy. Hey.
You can't shoot the cracks, can
Hey. You're shooting the hostage. Friendly fire.
Friendly fire count? Man, I'm dead. Bang, bang. Oh, wait, are you Monty? Yes, I'm in the seat. Oh, shit. I'm trying to rescue the hostage. Dude, he's shooting the cracks of there. Oh, wait, does friendly fire count?
So once I got up in the tower, everything was pretty much over. The hostage died, and so the game was over.